So we're going to look at solving these kinds of problems where you have to add more than just two numbers. And you can see here that the numbers themselves range from 27 to 8,095. So let's have a look at how we can solve these kinds of problems. So when I look at this particular problem, there's a number of ways that we can approach it. First way is just resort to column addition. So all you need to do is put the numbers in their appropriate place value columns and just add vertically, looking like this. And 8,095, and you'll see that I'm writing all these digits in, starting from the units, because that helps me keep all the digits in their correct place values. And you can see I spread the digits out a little bit so that I can work clearly and not get confused about which numbers in which place value column. Okay, so now we've done this, and we're up to the idea of just vertically adding all the digits in the same place value. So let's go about doing that. So we got 5, 5, and 7, and 7. So that's 10 plus 14, right, is 24. The units digit will go here, and the tens digit gets carried over to the next place value to the left of the one we've been working on. So now we have 2 plus 2 plus 7, which makes 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 9 is 24. Again, units digit comes down into the final answer. Tens digit gets carried over to the next place value column to the left of the one we've just been working on. We're up to the hundreds now, so 2 plus 3 is 5. No numbers to carry over, and 8 plus nothing is 8. And that's one way of getting to the correct answer. And really, it's a good way of doing it if you know how to do the column method and you're really, really confident with the column method. There's another way of doing it. Well, there's lots of other ways of doing it. Here's another way that you could look at it. So let's try chunking this down a little bit, and let's deal with the smaller numbers first. So 27, right, and 45. So what can we do with them? Well, I can add these units digits up, right? That makes 12. 40 and 20 gives me 60, and that gives me 72. So these two together is 72. I can also then go with 377, right? So that's 300, 70, and 7. So I can go push this 2 here and go 70 plus this 70 over here, these two 70s, makes it 140, plus 7 plus 2 is 9, right? So this becomes 149, okay, 140 plus this 9. And I've still got the 300 left over, so 300 plus that is going to be an easy one, right? 49. So now I've already dealt with that. I've got, let's break this 95 bit up into a 90 and a 5. So I'm going to add this 5 right here to here. Okay, so that's going to give me 454. Excellent. 454. Let's go with the 90 and this 90 and this 50. So that makes 140. And I've got this 4. So it'll be 5. This 4, 544 so far. So 8,000, I can take this 8 right here, drop it in front, and so the final answer becomes 8,544. So that's another way of solving this problem. And again, there's other ways you could look at it, really just variations on what we've already done with the chunking method. Like I could go, okay, so let's go with 27. Let's take out all these two-digit numbers. So 27, we got 45, we got 77, and we got 95. And what's left, so that's 300 and 8,000, so 8,300, right? So the 8,000 here, because this 95 is now down here, and the 77 down here, so we're left with 300, right? So that makes 8,300. And then we just look at solving these problems here by adding all these guys up. So 7, I just deal with the units digits here, so we got 7, 7, and 10. So that's going to be 24. Okay, and then I just add these guys up. We got 60. We got 160. Add these up. 60 and 60 is 120. Plus another 100 is 220. And we've got 24 already. So if I just think of that, it's 244. And then the final answer will be that. So you've got a few different ways of doing it. Essentially, I've shown you two. One is the column method, nice and quick, really, if you know how to do that. And then you can do this other way, a bit scrappier, I suppose. You have to do lots of smaller computations, and that's just chunking all of these numbers down. You're breaking them out into expanded forms and this adding up the place values. Up to you.